Hey guys, I'm Saurabh and today I am showing you uh, the video on basically monitoring Google Cloud Network. So what are the options available in Google Cloud Network to monitor? So there are VPC flow logs, firewall rules logging, cloud net logs, load balancer logs. So these are the most important four logs that you can set up to monitor your GCP network. Apart from this, there is also packet mirroring and network. There is also a network intelligence center where you can basically see everything related to what is happening on your GCP. So let's discuss first VPC flow logs. So VPC flow log basically provide the visibility of all ingress and egress flow of all the VM. So any traffic flowing from the outgoing traffic and incoming traffic from all VM to internet or VM to VM, it logged in the VPC flow log. So, and VPC flow log basically you can activate or deactivate at subnet level. In suppose there is subnet where you have some dev environment or you don't want to log, then you can deactivate it. To check the VPC flow log, you can go to the log explorer, and from log explorer you can check all basically not VPC flow log but all the logs, activity log, net flow logs, and all the every logging you have enabled in your GCP you can check in VPC flow logs. And there is also you can analyze all the logs with the help of log analysis. And next is firewall rules logging. So in firewall rules logging, you can, so basically it is disabled by default. You can enable it if you want to check which firewall rule is changed and who changed it, at what time it is changed. And you can enable this logging per rule basis. Suppose you have 5 rules and you want to enable logging on only on two uh, two rules that you can configure it as per depends on the rule. And the most important thing is that firewall rules logging is only record TCP and UDP connections only. Another is load balancer logging and cloud net logging. So in GCP, all the load balancer supports cloud logging and cloud monitoring. Uh, internal and external HTTPS load balancer, internal and external TCP UDP network load balancer, external SSL proxy and TCP proxy load balancers, and internal TCP proxy load balancer. So basically, all type of load balancer supports cloud logging in GCP. There you can basically check the log type, log fields, metrics supported. So there are a few metrics. There are many metrics which are supported by the load balancer logging. So, and this is very helpful in debugging and analyze the user traffic. Sometimes suppose any into vulnerability is happened and any code is compromised, then you can check if any crawling is happening, then you can check using the crowd balancer logging. In some time cases, some in like e-commerce company website, sometimes a lot of hits coming from a particular IP. Then you can analyze the pattern and you can also block that IP, or it depends on basically based on the IP, and you can also check from which user agent traffic is coming. Maybe it is a bot activity happening. And next is cloud net logging. So basically, cloud net log is created when a network connection using NAT is created. So suppose you have set up a NAT gateway or something like that for reaching the private VMs from internet. So as soon as the network connection is created, NAT logging is also created. It it also logged up if any packet is dropped, and it basically log contain the TCP UDP traffic only. So that you can also basically check in the log explorer for the cloud NAT logging. So these are the few services which are available in GCP for the cloud logging and monitoring of your application and your instances, and basically all the clusters in GKE. So that is for this video, and please wait my next video to keep updated with the all the clouds like all the public clouds, AWS, GCP, and Azure. Thank you, guys.